Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody wants to turn these round dots into a hairline and be 1.5 millimeter. And ask if there's any way you can do that in Corel, and the answer is no. But the good news is our friend Eskimo has a macro called Adjust Object Retain Position. I will put a link at the bottom of this video for this. I've done several videos on this product, but this is kind of cool because it's real. It's a real item, a real job. So what I need to do first, you can see it's a group of 49 objects. I'm going to go to Object Group and Ungroup All. There's still a problem because they're in batches of 2. So we need to go to Object and break the curve apart. Then select that, go to Object, break curve apart, and you can see then they're individual lines. And it's a bunch of those, like say 82 objects now. And so if we click on that, you can go up to Object. So whenever you see the bounding box, well, let's just select these two. Object, break curve apart. Object, break curve apart. And I don't really know how you know that you've got them all broken apart till you just kind of fish around. Like there's one. So now let's kind of check 145 objects. So I don't know if there's still some that are not. We'll know in just a minute. So we don't have to bring this circle in the picture. I know it's 1.5 millimeters. So let's select. That's kind of hard to see. Select, let me zoom in. Select all these with the marquee tool. And then open up his macro. So we're going to go to Tools and Scripts. I've used his macro quite a bit. Yours might say macros there. And right here, Adjust Object Retain Position, and then go Start. So with all the ones we've selected, we're going to turn them in with this right here. Can't even see what that says. To size, 1.5 millimeters. And we want them all to grow from the center. It's going to take just a second. I think it's already done. It's just so little you can't really see it. Or it's still thinking about it because my computer's kind of locked up. Because it's having to do that for all those objects, and it's done them. And you can see we have them all. Now, all you have to do to get that circle is select them all and left click, right click, and now they are 1.5 millimeter circles. That's pretty cool. We need to thank Mr. Eskimo, and I will put a link to this video. So all you do is you go to this, double click on it, and right here is the macro. And I've got several macros on how to download it. And he even shows you a couple things, and there's some menu boxes, and pretty cool. He's got a video on it, but here's the macro right here. You have to unzip it. And I've got videos on how to download it and put it into your GMS folder, so it will always be there. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.